Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Copper Patrol Productions. In this week's video, I've got a quick update for you guys on the garage and how that's going. And that's all I've got for you. Let's get into it.
Alrighty, well, as you can see, the bench is not together and it's not up against this lovely freshly painted wall with this lovely big backboard. But we have a lovely freshly painted wall with a nice big backboard. Essentially what happened is I got to the point where this is all done. I just needed to be constructed. I started putting things in the right place, like the new floor mats, and I thought, gee, don't those old walls look crummy and dirty? Couldn't they just use a quick freshen up? So I got some paint, and I got some brushes, and I got one of these things, and I painted it. And it needs another coat, and these need to be put back in place, and the masking tape needs to be taken off, and this needs to be properly connected. But all in all, I reckon that looks pretty fucking good. And it looks even better, or it's gonna look even better, when we've got the bench in place.
So long story short, did I prevent the bench from being put together and in place and done for one more week to paint some walls? Yes I did. I don't know why, but I know why. It looks better, and with all the work I put into the bench, it'd be shitty to put it up and have a crap wall behind it. So now we're going to have a clean bench to film stuff on, clean floor,
because we're going to be having these mats, little gym mats down, and just cover sort of a couple spots along here, not underneath the car because that'd be pointless, but just underneath the workbench and yeah, along here. And honestly, when this has got a clean line across there, it's just going to pop off so good, I reckon, with the bench in there. Like, it already is looking good, and this still needs another coat and yeah, stuff taken off and a bit of a fix up, but goddamn, almost looks professional. I just reckon that this sort of sweeping look around the whole thing, with a car here, bench here, bitchin' walls, it's gonna look mint. So keen.
Anyway, that is absolutely it for this week's video. Like I said, wasn't even going to make a video this week. We haven't missed an upload, so I'm not going to miss an upload. Yep. That's it. Catch you next week's video where we're going to be putting this thing in place and pulling the car in. See you then.